In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay in Adobe Express. If you've ever wanted to place one image or some text on top of another to create a clean, layered look, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it with clarity and control. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer. You can use the desktop application or access it in your browser. Either way, it will take you into the same streamlined workspace. Give it a second to load. A stable connection helps Express pull in your assets quickly and keeps everything responsive. Next, make sure you're logged in. When you're signed in, you'll see your personalized workspace and any recent designs. Being logged in ensures your work auto-saves as you go, and it gives you access to your libraries, brand assets, and any content you've uploaded before. On the left side of the screen, you'll find navigation options. If you already have a project you want to build on, click your stuff to open it. If you're starting from scratch, choose Start New Design, then click New Design. This will open a fresh canvas so you can build your overlay from the ground up. Don't worry if you're unsure about exact dimensions, you can adjust your layout as you design. Now upload the pictures you want to overlay. You can drag and drop them right onto the canvas or use the upload option in the media panel. Place your base image first, then add the image you want on top. Click an image to select it and use the corner handles to resize or rotate it. If something disappears behind another element, use Arrange or the layer controls to bring it forward or send it back. For a softer blend, lower the opacity of the top image. For a crisp cutout look, resize and position precisely near the focal points you want to highlight. Small adjustments like nudging with arrow keys help you align elements perfectly. Text can also be used as an overlay to add titles, captions, or calls to action. Add a text box, type your message, and choose a font, color, and weight that suits your design. If the text is hard to read, increase contrast by choosing a lighter or darker color, add a subtle shadow, or place a semi-transparent shape behind the text for clarity. Keep your text concise and balanced so it complements rather than competes with your images. That's it. Your layered design is ready. Practice with different images and text styles to find the look that fits your project and enjoy how quickly Adobe Express makes overlays come together.